students. We're iterating Surd. In our previous lesson, we did simplify the square root of 50. 50 doesn't have a square root. Then we'll split 50 into 2. That's having 25, which is the perfect square, and 2. 2 times 25 is still 50. Then we look for the square root of 25, which is 5. Then 2 doesn't have a square root, so we leave it that way. Now we want to convert this back to a single surd. We want to convert this back to a single surd. So that's what we have to do here. A, we have 3, then root 6. This 3 that is outside becomes 3 times 3. It multiplies itself. Then you put a square root times the root of 6. Then it becomes 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 9 times 6. 3 times 3, 9 times 6. And that will give us the root of 54. 9 times 6 is 54. So we come to this. This 2 becomes 2 times 2. To multiply itself, then the root of 5. 2 times 2 is 4. So that will give us 4 times 5. And that will give us the root of 20. So these and these are the same, so we are going back to this. So this will give us, this 5 becomes 5 times 5 times root 2. 5 times 5 is 25. That's 25 times 2. And 25 times 2 is 50. So we are back to this. So these are to convert back to a single surd. And these are to simplify from a single surd to this. So we've come to the end of the class. No need putting assignments for senior classes. Just get textbooks and study on your own. Don't forget to click the subscribe button on our channel for more videos. Thanks for viewing.